Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am here to present the line dance. Vain Call. The song is My Living in Vain. It's a remix by GARVIN, MAESTRO featuring the Clark sisters. The choreography is ANGIE King. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it. There you go. Vain Call. Make sure you check out the step-by-step instruction. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.